Okay, if you want to follow the drop downs, you may need to add another method in the appointments DAO.
Okay.
I don't know if you already have it. Check if you have you have all the appointments. Select a type from the appointments. Do you have already?
No, just the get all appointments.
Okay. Create a new method.
Okay.
Which you can copy one from the top.
Okay.
And it'll be smaller than this, but we can. Yeah, you can copy this 45 through.
Okay.
60.
Okay.
Next line, and then here instead of public static int, make it as public observable list of type string. Remove the static int.
This part?
Hold on. Static, let static be there. Remove int. Public static observable list.
Okay.
O capital observable list of type, that is type string. And after that space, call it as get all types. You might want to put that all in lowercase ALL, the other L.
Oh, right. Okay.
And it will not take any parameters, so remove the int customer.
Okay.
Just the parenthesis.
Oh, just like that?
Like that.
Okay.
And here everything is okay, except remove that, and whatever you have, that commented code, you can remove that. And then SQL, you have to write select, remove that and say select distinct type TYP from appointments.
Okay.
And since we do not have any parameter, you can remove line 75.
Okay.
Instead of there, after the line 74, create a new line and say, create a new line.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, on line 71, define an observable list of type string and call it all types equals fx collections dot observable array list. Okay. And after line 74, do a while rs. Hold on.
Oh.
Next, hold on. PS dot execute query.
Oh, execute query. Okay.
There's a select, and the next line while. Sorry, on line 75.
Mm-hmm.
First, I would say result set rs equals PS dot execute. So before that, result set.
Okay.
RS equals,
Okay.
Now while in parenthesis rs dot next, meaning there are results. Then inside this you can add all types. Hold on. All types dot add in parenthesis rs dot get string.
Mm-hmm.
In double quotes type.
Does it have to be capital?
No, it's fine.
Okay.
Anything is fine, but it's better to follow this.
Okay.
So if you are using T as capital in the select statement, also use the same.
Oh, okay.
So that okay. So now what this does is it will execute the query and add all those strings into that thing.
Mm-hmm.
And line 81, you have to say return all types.
Okay.
Okay. And let me see how we can do the months also. Create same copy over the same method.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, same method, and this time call get all months.
Okay. And then call it all months.
Yeah.
Okay.
Get all. 1 second. I'll just say which format.
Okay.
Good. Format symbols. I don't want to use some new concept.
Oh. Mhm.
Okay. We have date. Okay. Date symbols. Okay. Here we will not use a sequel, but give me a second. Okay, you can comment out lines 88, 89, 88, 89, 90.
Okay.
And you can start with date format. Create a new line and type date format symbols. One word, date format symbols. Yes.
Okay.
Space, call it DFS or some name. DFS.
Okay. Oh, can it be capital? Or does it
Yeah,
have...
lowercase is fine.
Okay.
DFS equals new date format symbols. Next line, for parenthesis, or after line 93, create a new line and say first int num equals 1 semicolon.
Okay.
And in the for loop, you can say for here we can already. Okay, remove that. It's okay. Remove line 94. We can directly put in there.
Okay.
We can directly declare in a for loop. So for int inside the parenthesis, you would say int num equals 1 semicolon.
Oh, semicolon?
Inside the for loop, there are 3 parts, right? One is initialization. Then after the number 1, you have to have a semicolon for the condition.
Okay.
So first you're initializing num with 1. Then after the number 1, inside the parenthesis, for loop has 3 conditions. First is the initialization, then semicolon, num less than.
Is that right?
Num less than, and yes,
okay.
Num less than 13.
Okay.
1, 3, number of months.
Oh,
13.
Sorry. Okay.
Semicolon, num plus plus.
Okay.
This will increment that number every time and until it is, as long as it's less than 13.
Okay.
So what you have to do now is, inside the for loop, you have to say all months dot add in parenthesis DFS dot actually hold. Actually, comment out this for now. Let's try one thing. Comment out the for and remove the while. We don't need the while loop. You can remove. Actually, remove the code. Remove everything from for until return.
Oh, okay. All of that?
Yes.
Okay.
Return all months is fine, but we can add it later. Okay. You can just say return.
Okay.
Return DFS dot get months.
Okay.
Okay, and hover over it and see what it is saying, that error. So list string. Okay. Then we'll add it to the observable list. It's fine. So you can say for before the return.
Okay.
Do a for parenthesis string, S capital string, month, colon, DFS dot get months, colon, not semicolon, colon.
Oh, okay.
So this is a for loop, so it will get each of those month names,
Okay.
get months. And inside the curly braces, we will add it to it. So curly braces at the end. We'll just add it to all months dot add month. And return all months.
Oh, so like I just do all months here.
Because we are returning the observable list for our table, right? That's
okay.
So save this and go to the initialize method of the report form.
Okay.
Next. Okay. Here, where was the thing? Okay. Uncomment lines 309, 310, and just 309, 310.
Oh, okay.
Or you can uncomment until 307 and then remove this.
Should I remove this one? 311?
In your, can you show me that your application again where you had, do you have anything, you have only two combo boxes, right? Type and month, right?
Well, for the third one, I think I have the division list. Let me.
But is it on this form, on the same report?
Let me.
Okay, for now, let's do one thing. For now, let's comment out this one line.
Okay.
And set items on line 309 will be appointment DAO dot get all types. First one is types, right? Or all months. Okay, sorry.
All months.
First one is all months, and second one is.
Okay, and then this one's get all types. Oh, and then dot get all types.
Can you show me that your FXML? I'm not sure what you had on that FX. Can you? You cannot run the program because we are not done with it.
Okay.
So show me the report FXML.
Oh, okay. I don't know. How do I? Or should I just show you the text? Because I don't know how to bring it up with.
Yes, click on that scene builder next. Next to the text, there is scene builder.
Okay.
No, on the same thing. On IntelliJ itself, you have a tab, right?
Oh, okay.
It doesn't. Okay, then let me look at the scene builder that you opened just now.
Okay.
I need to see what goes on this.
Let's see if I. Open reports. Okay, yeah, so this is my type and month.
Okay, in this case, since you have three different modules, you'll have three different effects controllers, because or you have to have this initialize method. For now, we will just load this type and month, and then when you click on the tabs, you can do the other ones.
Okay, so then I would create like
what we have for get all types is for that drop down you see there, and get all months is for the other drop down. Okay, and initially all the appointments will be shown. When you select the type and month, they will be filtered.
Okay.
So go back to that code and let's move on. So now you have two tables. What are those two? Scroll to the top of this this class and let me look at the table view name. What you have?
Okay.
So. No. Go back to the scene builder. I want that
Oh.
from that scene builder. Let's
Okay.
look at the scene.
So
Click on that select type combo box here. What is the name of this?
let's see.
Effects ID. Select type CB.
And then
And the
select.
other one is. Oh no. So these two have to be different, right? You are having the say select type and month. Okay. No. Okay. Go back to the code now. You can say select type CB. Go to that code that we were working on in initialize method.
Okay.
And here on line 309, select type CB dot set items.
Right. Where'd I put that?
Instead of type months appointments table, you have to say select type CB dot set items.
Okay.
In the beginning, not there. Control Z.
Oh, okay.
You have in the beginning, you have type months appointments table. Remove that word. Yeah, instead of that, you have to say
Okay. Select type CB.
month CB for the first one.
Okay.
Type CB for the second. Yeah. Second one is select
type CB. Okay.
And this it's not contact schedule list. It's appointments DAO dot get all. DAO dot get all types.
Okay.
Now still it is showing an error. So can you hover over that and see? Okay, surround with try catch or this method can.
Okay.
Move this 314 also inside that same try.
Okay.
Instead of having
surround with try catch.
No, Control Z. Let's do one more thing. Control Z and one more Control Z.
Okay.
Now it gives another option. See, throws SQL exception.
Okay.
Yeah, more actions. Yeah.
And click on this one.
Hold on. Static import. Static. No, go to the line 297 and say throws SQL. Go to the there throws SQL exception.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh.
But it doesn't click on that. Okay, remove that and Control Z.
Okay.
Go back to that try catch. What I was trying to say was, okay, first do the try catch, surround with try catch.
Okay.
Second, line 314, select the line 314 and cut it from there and paste it after 310. The same try catch for both of them. So after 310, create a new line.
Oh, right here. Okay.
Yeah, paste. Okay. Now these two should be. And then if you scroll down, you are saying set items. Set items in type month list. Instead of that, you have to say all appointments.
Okay.
That's the one, right?
Yeah. And then this one is
all appointments on line 335.
Okay.
And comment out 319 to 326.
Okay.
And also scroll down and the division, you have to comment out 337 to 343.
Okay.
Okay.
So then would these two be like a different controller?
Yes, either different controller or you have to read which tab you have clicked. Based on the tab that is clicked, those two should be in different methods. Those should have an action item for those tabs. When you click on those tabs, you have to call these methods, which will have, you have to put these blocks into different methods.
Okay.
Here, since this is the first by default tab, it will show this. And then when you have, if you first, let's run this.
Okay.
Let's see if it, check the first if it is loading that. Yeah. Check the okay, and check the months. Okay. Now go to the terminal. It is showing some error. Let's see what it is. Okay. This is actually showing a different, right? In your, if you see your, I think, go to the go to the application again.
Okay.
Open the application. It's already open.
Okay.
Here, you're trying to show your customer ID table view, but that's not the one you have to show. You have to show the appointment table view, right? Why is it showing customer table view? So what can you select the table view and the whole customer? And what is the name of this table view? Why is it showing customers instead of appointments? Click on the last tab. Let's see what it's showing. Last tab. And second tab. Okay, something is wrong. So this is how it should look. Appointments. The second tab, and you have to have the same kind of table for the first one too. Okay.
Okay.
So here it should not be. This table view is not the. Go back to the code and let's see if we are using the correct table view. In the code, the initialize method, check if you are using the customers or which table view, the one that we have. No, the one. Scroll down. Further. Here. Appointment ID.
Oh, right.
It's doing for the second tab, but first tab should also be appointments, right?
Right.
So, okay. You have to create a table view for the first tab similar to with the appointments. Now it has customers, right? That's why it's not loading. So you have to create a different table view in the FXML with appointment details.
Okay.
And then you have to set these appointments.
Okay.
And then, like I said, when you click each of those tabs, each of these different methods you should call from initialize based on the tab clicked.
Okay. So I have the different controllers, like a controller for each of the tabs, but then when
No. You can use the same controller. If you scroll up, let me explain. If you scroll up a little bit. So when you load this reports page, it will first hit this initialize, correct?
Yes.
So based on, I already have select contact. What are those methods? Populate, select type. You have those methods?
Yeah. Let me just. So this is my populate, select, and then the month and.
But why was it not? Was it loading earlier too?
I think so.
Okay, then in that case, go back to the initialize. In that case, you don't need this try-catch block at all.
Okay. So I just get rid of this.
Comment it for now. If not needed, you can remove it.
Okay.
But definitely, yeah, those the ones that we have, we don't need that 305, 306, 307 because as of now, you have that populate. Okay, save this and run it again. Let's see if it is populating those formulas.
Okay. And then rerun it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, it is doing month. It's doing only because whatever is available, right? That's fine.
Okay.
That's fine because those are the ones the records are showing. So it is not doing all the months. That's fine.
Okay.
So in this case, go back to the initialize. It is trying to populate all the contacts and everything in the beginning, but initially the tab that is selected is the first one, right?
Yes.
So you have to have a value for that, okay? And then for the other two tabs, when they are clicked, you have to have an action in the FXML to change that value to just like radio buttons, right? You have to select which tab is selected.
Okay.
And in your initialize, you can make this note in your initialize method, okay? Check the tab selected.
Okay.
After this, check the tab selected. Next line. Call loading methods based on loading blocks or methods based on tab selected.
Okay.
Next line. Put each of the loading blocks. I will call them loading blocks. What I mean is that cell value factory, those lines. Okay. Each of the loading blocks in separate methods.
Okay.
What happens now is if I select the second one, the action will it will call the method that loads the second block of code.
Oh. Okay. Let me just check real quick. If I have that, where were my okay, so customer per division tab. Division tab. Oh.
Yeah,
so I don't have okay, so then right here I would need to put that. Okay. And then so when this is when I click it, it loads the tables.
Yeah, you have to make these 3 blocks into 3 different methods and call them in that method.
Okay.
So that in initialize, you're not loading anything except the first tab, right?
Okay, right.
First tab is by default. You'll initialize, and again, you have to change that table view because that table view should show the appointments, not the customers. As of now, your table view in your FXML is showing customers, but it should actually show the appointments.
Okay.
The second one is correct. That's why it was showing correct for the second. Second table view is correct. First table view is what needs to change.
Okay.
This is correct. Second one is correct. And the third one, again, you have to you are showing the customers, that's fine. But you have to call each of these blocks based on the tab selected.
Okay. And then, so with this other SQL that we were talking about for this, do I still use this? Is this still
It's a completely different approach. If you want to, you can save this. If you want to use this, you don't need any drop downs or anything. You can have one report page. The top will have this table. This second half of the table will have another table view. Okay, there will be 3 table views in your report. First table view will be this with that SQL. Second table view will be the based on the contacts, right? For each of the contacts, what are the appointments? Second table view will be unchanged. What you have now is correct, even for this case. Third table view will be the last one, which is you wanted the by country, customers by country, right? That also will be just 3 table views on the same page. But since you're already doing this other approach, I would say continue with that. But just save this SQL in case you want to use it later or you want to change.
I just have a quick question, just so I make sure I'm understanding you correctly. So if I did go with the other approach to use this SQL, does that mean that when I have my report, 1 second as I bring it up. So does that mean when this tab loads, this is just gone and then it just shows
what is showing on the MySQL, it will show that.
Oh, is that okay for the requirements? There doesn't need to be any selections. It's just it just appears right when you load it. Oh, okay.
But it, however, requires it for the contact schedule. For a second report, you have that drop. That is required. So this will come in the second part. The third part is as per if you want to part division and you want to load it as same thing like the third part.
Okay.
But I would suggest, since you're already doing this way, continue with this. Just you
Okay.
have to figure out how to do that. When you click on the tab, what is the action that it should take?
Oh, okay.
And if the first table view is not correct, it should be appointments, not
Right.
customers.
Right. Okay. 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 Well, thank you.
See you next time.